Students, we read the poem Don't Give Up yesterday. Now we will do the reading comprehension. The first one is tick the correct answer. This poem is about. The options are given: those who don't try, not giving up, succeeding always. The correct option is not giving up. Second one is they can keep up, means the birds can keep their wings, fly a little longer the next time, become strong. So correct is the second option, fly a little longer the next time. The third question is the speaker is talking about birds because she likes birds, she wants us to be like birds. It is a good example. So the correct answer is the last one, it is a good example. Fourth one is another example in the poem is about the wind being proud, being strong like a tree. Correct answer is being strong like a tree. Fifth one, winning something that is very easy doesn't get a prize, make people think highly of you, make you a winner. So when you win something that is very easy, it doesn't make people think highly of you. That is the correct answer. Reference to context. Read the lines and answer the questions that follow. Though the sturdy tree has known many a wind that bowed her, she has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. Question is, pick the word which means strong in the first line. So the word is sturdy. Second one, what does the wind do to the tree? The wind has bowed down the trees. Third one, how does the tree show her strength after being bowed down? The tree shows her strength after being bowed down by growing taller, prouder and stronger. Now the next one is gaining victory from defeat. That's the test that tries you. So the question is, how do you think we can gain victory from defeat? We can gain victory from defeat by trying to do again and not giving up. Second question, do you think trying after losing is more difficult? No. Answer is no. Trying after losing is not difficult but easy. Third one is, what does the poet mean by that's the test that tries you? Here the poet means that real test is not giving up hope and continue to try tirelessly to succeed. Now students, open your book on page number 44, vocabulary. Reorder the letters to find a word which means the same as. So what are these words called? Synonym. The first one is fun-loving, jolly. Second word is unhappy. So the correct word is sorrowful. Third word is healthy. So the other word is strong. Fourth word is hardworking. So the answer is diligent. Fifth word is intelligent. Answer is brilliant. Sixth word is beautiful. Answer is gorgeous. Seventh word is cozy. Answer is comfortable. Eighth word is happy. Answer is cheerful. Now let's do the exercise given on page number 45. Grammar. Circle the errors and write the sentence correctly. First one is, these men often shirks work. Now the word that is wrong is shirks, which means meaning of shirk is they want to avoid work. These men often shirk. We will not use s. Work. Second one, the woods is dark. So we will circle the word woods. The wood is dark is the correct answer. Third one, there is 2 mangoes in the basket. So we will circle the word is. We will not say there is 2 mangoes. We will say there are 2 mangoes in the basket. Number 4, we is going to Dhanbad tomorrow. So we will circle the word is. We will use we are going to Dhanbad tomorrow. Number 5, there is 3 marbles in the bag. We will circle if there are 3 marbles in the bag. Do the exercise given on page number 46. Turn the page. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of verbs given in the brackets. They, the word given is build 2 new houses next to mine right now. So what you will use? They are building 2 new houses next to mine right now. Second one, my friend and I dash, the word given is go out for lunch now. So we will say my friend and I are going out for lunch now. Third one, she dash, word given is meet me at my dance class every day. So how you will use this word? She meets me at my dance class every day. Fourth one, mother, word given is call me this morning from her office. So how you will use the word? Mother called me this morning from her office. Fifth one, birds always, word given is fly away to cooler place in summer. So birds always, the same word will come fly away to cooler places in summer because here words are plural. Number 6, we, word given is spent last evening with our friends. So here the past form of word will be used. We spent last evening with our friends. Seventh one, my uncle, word given is visit us next week. So we will use it as a sentence. My uncle will visit us next week. Number 8, mother dash buy these stationery items for us. So here we will use this word. My mother bought these stationery items for us.